Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix access denied or too many login attempts in TradingView on iPhone. If you've been logged out after multiple failed sign-ins or see an access denied error, don't worry, here's how to fix it step by step. First, wait a few minutes before trying again. TradingView temporarily blocks login after many failed attempts to protect your account. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes before logging in again to allow the system to reset. Next, move from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Sometimes your IP address gets flagged or repeated attempts, and switching networks resets this blocks instantly. Next, what you're gonna do is clear your Safari sketch and cookies. Search for Safari, and then scroll down, click on clear history and website data, and then click clear history. TradingView uses Safari's background browser for login and clearing. This removes the temporary blocks stored in your session. Next, force close and reopen the TradingView app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen, find the TradingView app, and then remove it, swipe it away from the screen completely, then reopen to start a fresh login session. If you think you've entered the wrong password multiple times, tap forget password, follow the email reset link, and create a new one before trying again. This ensures you do not trigger the block again. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick and easy fixes.